about the cob?
Doesn't feel well on an Audi, man. Just don't do it, guys.
What is good? All right, today we gotta fix this. All right, we're gonna go get some more meat today. Here, I'll get you guys a nice little close-up, just so you guys can see how it looks. Like, it's pretty much like two finger gap. Yeah, and I don't like that shit. Down here it looks like a 2.5. It's still not. It's like a 2 finger gap all the way around. So we're gonna try to fix it with some meat. I can't go any bigger on the spacers because safety shit. And yeah, you know me. Anyways, damn, let's check out this whip. How you guys liking this whip so far? It's gonna look pretty good. Oh, we got the man himself over there. He doesn't know where we're going.
I'm tired.
It's the Corona handshake, bro. I think it's time to head up Best Tires, cause that's where we're going, I guess. That shit's lit, dude. God damn. Shit looking, dude, it looks way better in person. It looks like a little mini tank, man. Huh? We're gonna go get more meat, bro. Yeah. Well, shit. It's gonna take a minute, so I think we're gonna go get another car and then leave this one here. Sheesh. All right, let's go back. Made it. All right. Hopefully this thing looks good. Here, let's look at it one more time from this angle. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's about it. All right, let's go drop off my keys. Bye. People like this tune, Piggy.
I like it.
Okay, let's go get something to munch. I think that's the move, huh? Fuck yeah. Alright. Hopefully they don't take forever, but who cares? We're doing some exhaust work today, so stay tuned for the whole video. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Might see some flames. We got our food. Kinda already ate, but we're going home now. We're going home. Ooh. Alright. So this thing does need a little bit of love. We'll get to that. I have to sand that part down, touch it up, get the caps for these, and yeah. Have you thought about a color, dog?
Same black.
Black? Shit. Jet black?
I don't know yet, but
They use jet black on classic cars. I mean, why not? Can't wait till this shit it's done. It needs some love. So, let's get started on that. Yee!
no more rattling.
Oh yeah, if you guys heard that rattling, probably when we're in and out, this thing rattles. The downpipe hits, so we're gonna have to work on that. Let's get this thing A1 so then you guys can actually see flames hit the back. It'll be the first time to actually see good flames, huh?
Straight pipe, yeah.
Ooh, straight pipe and flames. That's gonna be the thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are my tips right here. I got them off the 2013 WRX. And that's what I'm, oh, I also have their fucking, I took their whole exhaust. See if you can see down there. It's the full 3-inch. I got the resonator. And I got this white pipe from O'Reilly. And I'm working my way. But you'll see how it looks. So we'll show you in a bit.
Quick interruption. We interrupt you with some savage ass motherfucking news. If you guys saw last vlog, y'all know the vibes. What we left off is cutting this piece off, you know, nice and good. This side's on. Looks pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm. What's this line for?
It's that crease that goes down to here. Goes all the way down here. Yeah. Let us know what kind of wheels you guys want to see on this. Lalo's a big baller, you know. When the sports betting comes back, then Lalo's gonna be big balling on some wheels. Hood wrap. It's just got to go. We always talk about it. It's gonna go. You gonna wrap yours? All right.
fenders too. I'm gonna wrap my fenders in my hood. And my bumper.
Wrap it all. Wrap your whole car.
No.
Alright guys, that's how it sits. And let's get back to exhaust work. This thing is gonna unleash the rumble. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's not. Anyways. Hold on. Oof. I think it's gonna look pretty good. We gotta cut and trim this thing on this side. So damn, this thing looking good. Don't cut my foot, piggy.
This is what happens when you get wire with no gas? That's how they look? Wire with no gas? Wire with gas. But it's not as pretty, but it's better than that.
Here we got a custom made 3-inch to 1-inch.
That was on my little truck back then. So back then, you know how I'd weld? Let me tell you, when I'd get a gap, I wouldn't care if it was too big. I would just do this. Look. Here, let me demonstrate. I'll just keep welding. I'll just keep tacking these all around like that until it closes, and then I start doing it like this. Works. It looks like shit, but it works.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. I just didn't finish that because
You finished your whole roll just doing this shit. Look, this is no kidding. Look at this shit. Ooh.
Hey, it's okay. Who taught me how to weld? Myself. So, gotta start somewhere.
You're right. We gotta clean this up. I'm just kidding. This is garbage. We gotta keep. Check it out. Edgars gapping, closing his gaps right here.
That's not me.
What else were we gonna do? We have no angles.
You wanna see what
when you have no angles, you gotta improvise.
Look over there. What I did over there, I grabbed one of these and I just put it on there and I welded. It's over there.
Show.
See it? Look, let's show. It might not look so pretty, but it's in there. Check it out. You know, I had nothing else, so I had to close my gap with the blade. I'm not. Well, there's my line. How do I do this right here, though?
That was so savage, bro.
Shit. Kind of fucked. Yeah, I fucked it up, but what do you do?
Just, you can't do nothing about it no more. Hey, there's these one things that need carbon fiber. Like, but I have an idea. Don't worry about it. It's fixable. Quick interruption. Can pick up the whip. We in a badass van. Ooh, snap. All right, hopefully everything went well, huh? It's a lot of wind, but I think it's good. I love it. Dude, this looks a lot better. Looks hella lit. I like it. Hell yeah. Fuck, it looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the lighting kind of sucks. Oh, it shit looks so good. Is nice and fitted. We'll show you that later, but hold on, we gotta finish this. Keep going.
Your foot here?
Oh shit, you're right, my foot. Oof. I underestimated it. It looks pretty good in person. Hey Lalo, what do you think about the cob?
Doesn't feel well on an Audi, man. Just don't do it, guys.
Woo. I don't know if you guys can see it too good on camera, but it's gonna look good. We're gonna put it on. It needs a couple hangers, and then we can make it sit nice and tight where we want it to sit. But it's gonna look good. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the whip real quick. It's looking so good. On this side, I'm a little bit too much cambered. I don't know why. If I just went to go get a tow not too long ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that sometime this week. I don't know how well you guys can catch it on camera, but looks pretty lit to me. Got some work to do on the back, so keep watching the vlogs. But ahí está. That's it. Let's go back to welding. Woo! Damn, she looks good.
Hello, rice, bro. Dude, I like it though.
No, it looks good. Damn, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's a little off, but it's a little off, but it's alright. Sheesh. This is perfect, actually, compared to what Edgar does. This is good.
Fuck you.
Alright, guys. Let's go get some two-step action to close the vlog. Dog, that shit sounds insane. Alright guys, I just fueled up. We're about to go over here real quick, cause we about to end the fucking vlog. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like the meat. Hopefully you guys like this new exhaust setup. Alright, we're gonna close it here. And before the win.